Guys, take a look at this. The Vibrelli mini bike pump with aluminum alloy barrel, with this soft ergonomic plastic handle, with high pressure and volumetric pressure settings, with a Schrader and a Presta valve. This can even work on inflating your car tire. Although it'd probably take a while to do that, you could totally inflate your car tire and carry this around in your car in your glove compartment with some slime to fix flats on the road. I've had this bike pump for about 4 years. I actually have a couple of these bike pumps and they have held up amazingly. This bike pump can give you up to 120 PSI. This only weighs 150 grams. One thing that's really neat about this bike pump is that it fits both Presta and Schrader air valves. You just put it in, lock it, and it will fit super tight. And it works great for either kind. It also has this nice little cap to cover so you don't get gunk inside of your bike pump. I really like that as well. It's super lightweight. It's made of this really high quality aluminum alloy. This even comes with a flat tire repair kit where it's just, you know, pluck and peel these little patches that you can put over the holes on your tires and then you can inflate them. It also comes with a needle for inflating soccer balls, basketballs, things like that. The bike pump also comes with a bike rack or bike clip to be able to strap this onto your bike. I've got a link in the description below where you can buy this for an incredible price. It's super compact. Look at that. It's only like, I think about 8 inches long. But look at this feature. It can telescope. If you twist this, it can make it so it's a high volume. So you can pump in more air into your bike. Or if you need higher pressure, all you do is twist this and it locks, and then you can do high pressure mode. Though the handle on here doesn't feel particularly strong, it's held up just great for me for 4 years of using it on bikes. I've even used this the other day on a riding lawnmower. In fact, I use this on a riding lawnmower because it's so small. This is only like maybe 1.5 inches. The other kind of traditional bike pump I used was maybe about that wide, and it was too big to really fit in next to our riding lawnmower tire. Anyway, so I overall highly recommend this. It's very lightweight. It only weighs about half a pound or less. It's about 8 inches long. It's made out of this sturdy aluminum. It's held up for quite a long time for me without any wear and tear. Really the only wear and tear it's had, I think it used to say Vibrelli on here, and that just rubbed off that paint over time of using this. But outside of that, it seems to be in pretty mint condition. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe if you're here for the first time. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day.